안녕하세요 여러분, 이것은 subslipe.com입니다. 네, 채널에 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. 여러분, 오늘은 한국 라면을 먹을 거예요. So guys, today in this video I'm going to be trying Korean cup noodles, also known as ramen. This is a quick fix meal, as I like to call it, because it is something you can easily prep in your workspace or office, and this takes less than 4 minutes to do. Before we get into this video, please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, and support me by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you! In this cup, you will find the seasoning and the sauce. And of course, the noodles itself. So I'm going to be soaking the noodles in pre-boiled hot water for at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now it's 2 minutes and I'm going to be straining the water out of the noodles. Next, I will be adding the sauce and the seasoning. So I had this leftover seaweed flakes and I decided to add it to the noodles. So I'm adding this Chinese snack that I really like, and it's called 熊啊素毛线 because it's really spicy, tasty and sweet. And afterwards I'm gonna be adding some eggs to the noodles. And now it is all ready. 먹자! This was so good. I don't know if it's because I really like food, but I enjoyed this so much. So this is me thoroughly enjoying the food, and oh my god, it was so good. And of course I made a mess. Oh my god. So y'all best believe that I slurped down everything in this cup and it was so good. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. 다음에 또 만나요. 잘 가요. Bye. I've got some eggs. Shit.